I really partnered with a great dealer who's Yes Equipment out of Milwaukee. That's so important to me. So it doesn't matter if it's brand new or 20 years old, something can always happen. When I initially started, we were like any other contractor. We were out of our house. I had no money, 2 kids, and worked and worked and worked. And I bought my first skid steer from Yes, and they took care of me. And that relationship continued to grow. But that relationship doesn't continue to grow just because of price. It's because of the service. And that's the difference, is when I call, I get a response. Not because I own a lot of equipment now, because they are who they are. And that's what I appreciated when I had one skid steer and they would take my call and they would go out of their way to help me out. You know, that's loyalty on both sides. So we really enjoy working with Yes Hyundai, and it's just been, you know, really seamless.